take a look at the cases that the trinomial have a is not equal 1. So a, there's a number in front of the a. Then in this case, you will need the factor by grouping step. Okay, factor. All right. So after that means after you find the two number, you won't be able to fill in the factor right away. You will have to show the factor by grouping step in order to get the factor form. Okay, so let's take a look at the problem. So an example. So let's say I have the example is 4x squared plus 24x minus 64. Okay, so we still need the AC method. So we have A times C and then B. My A times C in this case, my A is 4, my B is 24, and my C is negative 64. So I take 4 times negative 64, and let's find out how much is it. 4 times negative 64, I have negative 256, and my B is 24. Now I will need to find two number multiply give you negative 256. And the b is the positive number, so I'm gonna start with a negative 1. Okay, so let's say negative 1 times 256 give you negative 256. And of course, this number not gonna work because if I add this 2, it's way bigger than 24. So I'm gonna move on to negative 2. So negative 2 per 256, I have, no, negative 2, which is 256 divided negative 2, I have, negative 256 divided negative 2, I have 128. And still, 128 minus 2 is not 24, so we move on. Negative 3, let's see it's work. Negative 256 divided negative 3, I have, oh, it's not work. So we move on to the negative 4. So negative 4, negative 4 works. So we're gonna have negative 4, and then this is gonna be 64. And will negative 4 and 64 work? Still not work. So we're gonna move on. Negative 5 doesn't work cut the decimal point. So negative 6, not work. Negative 7, oops, not work. Negative 8, negative 32. So I mean positive 32, because I actually put the positive 8. So it should be positive 32, right? And is 32 minus 8 give you 24? Yeah, that is, right? 32 minus 8 is 24. So this pair work. And then because we need the factor by grouping steps, so we're going to have to copy the first term, which is 4x squared, 4x squared. And then we have negative 8x, which is the two number that we found. Okay, the two number that we found is negative 8x and positive 34x, and then minus 64. After we put the factor by grouping step, we're gonna have to group them and then factor the common factor. So look like 4 and 8, I can take out 4 and then I can take out x, so it's 4x. The only thing that left when I take out the x from the x squared is x, and then 4 is 1, so x minus 2. I think I copied the wrong number. It should be 32 instead of 34. So here it should be 32. And this number is also 32. Maybe some of you already caused my mistake. Okay. So now for the one that on the right side, the second group, it look like 64 and 32 should be divisible. So let's see. 64 divide 32. It's good. So it's gonna be, I'm gonna take out 32, and then it's gonna be left with x minus 2. Okay, because 64 divide 32 give you 2. So now these two terms combined with the plus, it look like they have x minus 2 is the same. So I'm gonna take out x minus 2 and we will have 4x plus 32. So this is gonna be the answer after you do the factor by grouping. Now let's take a look at this one. So my A is 2 and then my B is 11 and my C is 15. So AC method, so A times C in this case is 2 times 15, which is 30. And then my B gonna be 11. So I need to find a pair of number that multiply give me 30. So I will start with 1 and 30, which is not gonna be work because 1 plus 30 is 31, not 11. Now I move on 2 and 15, not work as well. 2 plus 15 is 17, not 11, so can. And then how about 3 and 10? 3 and 10, 3 plus 10 is 13, not 11, so no. 4, 30 cannot divide by 4, so we have to skip to 5. 5 and 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11, which is good. Okay, we need 11. So now because the A is 2, so that means we need the grouping. Okay, we need the grouping. So 5 and 6 is the two number we want. So we're gonna have to rewrite the first term, 2x squared, and then we put this 5x plus 6x and then first 15. Now we break them into the group and then factor any common factor. So 2 and 5 doesn't have any in common. I cannot take 2 divide 5. So only common is the x. So I will take out x and then we have 2x plus 5. On the other side, 6 and 15, it look like they both can divide by 3, right? Because 6 divide 3 is 2 and 15 divide 3 is 5. So I can take out 3. When I take out 3, I have 2x plus 5. Okay, we're gonna double check. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So this is the greatest common factor. Now let's look at this one and this one. Look like we have 2x plus 5 is the same. So we're gonna take out 2x plus 5. And then the only thing left will be x plus 3. So x plus 3. So that is our factor by grouping.